Hey, so last week we launched the newest version of pre-meeting briefs in Sybill, and I was rebuilding the product page for our pre-meeting briefs, and we had a great animation that showed how all the data was flowing into those briefs. We had a number of different product shots throughout the page, but something just like didn't feel right. Like it felt like something was missing. Like there wasn't this ability just to know like, well, what the heck am I getting in this thing? And so that's when I decided to build an interactive demo. So this is what it looks like, and I'll share some of my thinking on it. Out the gate, I wanted this to be really short, and so I highlighted in the initial screen here that it's 5 clicks so that someone knows, hey, I can see what is actually in this thing in a few clicks. It's not going to be a big commitment from them. They hit take tour. And then I really wanted to start with the account executive's workflow. So when you're working in Sybill, you land by default in the meeting screen that's here. And I explained that all of your upcoming external meetings will have a pre-meeting brief. You can click this little icon to view that brief. And then my goal here was to try to walk through or essentially scroll through the entire brief so they could have an idea of what are they actually going to see in this thing. So I explain that Sybill builds an agenda for your meeting based on the deal stage, recent calls, and emails with your prospect. Then from there, I talk about how you also get tasks related to your meeting, MedPIC qualifications, research on the company and participants, all of which is based on what's actually happened in the deal so far, not just a quick web scrape. That's an attempt at kind of showing some differentiation that this brief is pulling on all that deal context, which is not something you're always seeing in the market. And then I end with a really quick call out that you can customize it. This was one of the most recent changes to pre-meeting briefs, that instead of them being all rinse and repeat or one size fits all, an AE can configure and add sections and hide sections and create their brief to look exactly the way they want to with a drag and drop builder. So I highlight that here. And then it's done. The hope is that someone can, in just a few clicks, know exactly what they're getting. And I was able to do that with an interactive demo. So let me know what you think.